COVID-19 pandemic has grappled the world by its teeth. With no preventive measures or cure in sight and a lot of misinformation available on internet, it can be hard to actually separate fact from fiction. Here are some of the most commonly associated myths surrounding the diseases and the facts you need to know. Gargling warm salt water can help to prevent COVID-19. It's wrong. And the fact is, respiratory viruses are not impacted by salt water. Experts say that warm water cannot deactivate the virus. Neither cold nor hot temperatures can kill the virus. Antibiotics are effective in preventing and treating COVID-19. No, it's wrong. And the fact is, antibiotics do not work against virus. They work against only bacteria. The new COVID-19 is a virus. However, if you are hospitalized for corona disease, you may receive antibiotics because bacterial co-infection is possible. Hand dryers are effective in killing coronavirus. Fact is, as per the information from World Health Organization, hand dryers are not effective in killing COVID-19. To protect yourself from virus, you should frequently clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap and water. Thermal scanners can easily detect people affected with coronavirus. And the fact is, thermal scanners are effective in detecting people who have developed a fever because of infection with corona. However, they cannot detect people who are infected but are not yet sick with fever. This is because it takes between 2 and 10 days before people who are infected become sick. Coronavirus affects only older people. No, it's wrong. People of all ages can be infected by coronavirus. Older people and people with pre-existing medical conditions such as asthma, diabetes, heart disease appear to be more vulnerable to becoming severely ill with the coronavirus. Coronavirus does not survive in warm weather or in sun. According to World Health Organization, COVID-19 can be transmitted in all areas, including areas with hot and humid weather. Coronavirus can be transmitted through mosquito bites. And the fact is, till date there has been no information nor evidence to suggest that coronavirus could be transmitted by mosquitoes. COVID-19 is a respiratory virus which spreads primarily through droplets generated when an infected person coughs or sneezes, or through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose. To protect yourself, clean your hands frequently and avoid close contact with anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Eating garlic helps to prevent infection with coronavirus. Fact is, garlic is a healthy food having some antimicrobial properties. There is no evidence from current outbreak that eating garlic has protected people from coronavirus. With the coronavirus having officially been categorized as a global pandemic, it's easy to become panicked and confused by the false information that's all over the internet. The best way to arm yourself is with facts. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.